Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make spirulina at home. First, you'll need a suitable container, like a large glass tank, and an air pump for circulation. Next, prepare your nutrient solution carefully, mixing specific salts and minerals in distilled water. Finally, introduce your spirulina starter culture and ensure it receives adequate light, maintaining a stable temperature between 25 and 30 degrees Celsius for healthy growth. Once your culture is established, consistent monitoring is key. Check the pH level daily, aiming for a range between 8.5 and 10.5, adjusting as necessary. Gently stir the spirulina a few times throughout the day to ensure all cells get light and nutrients. Remember to replenish the nutrient solution periodically to support continuous, robust growth. Harvesting is exciting. When your spirulina culture looks dense and a deep green, it's ready, usually every few days. Carefully pour the culture through a fine mesh cloth or screen to separate the spirulina from the liquid. After filtering, gently rinse the collected spirulina with clean water to wash away any remaining salts from the growth medium, preparing it for drying. After rinsing, spread your spirulina thinly on a non-stick surface and dry it thoroughly using a dehydrator or by air drying. Ensure it's completely dry to prevent spoilage. Once crisp, grind it into a fine powder, which can be stored in an airtight container for months. You can add this nutritious powder to smoothies or food. Also, for more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.